Hello everyone, this is my review on my BBI Elite Force AH-64 Apache in 118 scale. So let's take a look around real quick, and it has some awesome details on this one, and I put some additional customizations on this helicopter as you can see here. So it has main weaponry. This is the Hydra rocket pod and the Hellfire missile. There are 8 in total, and the second one is the 30mm chain gun, which the gunner will control through his helmet through a target acquisition. The slaves to his helmet. Same here inside. Uh, this helicopter runs in 2 jet turbine, and these rotors can spin. Yeah, it had some customizations. Start with this nose sensors. This moves left and right only, and moves up and down. And this one is for the pilot's night vision or pinvis. It moves left and right only. So I used iridescent film for the lens sensors, and the windows for light, for sunlight. It looks like on the real thing. And this over here is a missile warning sensor. Also over here, and tail rotors spin, and I add some flare bucket. Only one flare bucket is found here. So yeah, overall these helicopters are so large I can hardly store it, so you can have you must break it apart over here so you can store it. That's all. And for I forgot, there's 2 pilots inside. Yeah, as you can see, this came with the pilots, the gunner, and the pilot. And take a look at the cockpit. It's a very nice cockpit, as well as the gunner's cockpit. And cockpit can open. It's useful for 118 vehicles. And the pilot's cockpit, you can view the pilots in clear. Yeah, so subscribe for more videos so I can post more of this 118 stuff that I have. and take care always.